Follow this guide to conduct a filter cartridge replacement for your ROAMfilter Plus. Before you start, please drain the system of any excess water by pumping through the drain valve as well as the front tap. Now you may start the filter cartridge replacement for your ROAMfilter Plus. For the filter cartridge replacement, you will need a new filter cartridge, a filter wrench, and a lubricant. Before proceeding with the filter cartridge replacement, make sure to remove the drain valve, the front tap, and the inlet hose connector. Now let's plug in the filter plugs, proceeding with the drain valve, the front tap, and the inlet hose connector. Let's now disassemble the ROAMfilter Plus. First, place the filter onto the table with a cloth. This is to protect the surface and the ROAMfilter Plus from any damages further on. Find an assistant to stabilize the ROAMfilter Plus, then turn the pre-filter cap in the anti-clockwise direction to disassemble the pre-filter assembly. Rest the plug of the filter cartridge on the padded surface towards you. To loosen the union nut, insert the filter wrench from the bottom. Knock the handle with the handle facing towards you. Turn the bottom cap in an anti-clockwise direction to remove the bottom cap and check valve assembly. Next, you will need to disassemble the top assembly of the ROAMfilter Plus with a filter wrench. To loosen the union nut, insert the filter wrench through the pump handle and knock it with the handle facing you. Insert the handle locking pin into the hole at the pump handle. With the pin inserted, twist the pump handle and pull. Once done, you can set the top assembly aside. After disassembling the ROAMfilter Plus, it's now time to prepare for the filter cartridge replacement. Before inserting the top and bottom assembly into the new filter cartridge, it's important to reapply the given lubricant to maintain the ease of usage of the filter. The lubricant should be applied on the pump assembly, the groove of the pump handle, bottom cap and check valve, and the pre-filter cap. Finally, it's recommended to also apply this to the inner part of the new filter cartridge itself, as it helps with easier pumping of the ROAMfilter Plus. Now we are going to replace the old filter cartridge with the new filter cartridge. Reattach union nut to the bottom cap. Then insert the union nut, bottom cap, and check valve assembly into the filter cartridge. Tighten it using the filter wrench. Twist the pre-filter assembly into the system and tighten first using hand. Take note that the inlet hose connector at the bottom should be facing the back of the filter cartridge by this step, so do refer to our guide on ROAMfilter Plus realignment guide to align the inlet hose connector to the front correctly. Now insert the entire top assembly into the filter cartridge. Screw the top assembly onto the filter cartridge, and hand tighten the union nut using your hand first. Take note that the drain valve should not be shifting position at this stage. To prevent cross-contamination of unfiltered water from drain valve, do refer to our guide on ROAMfilter Plus realignment guide to align the drain valve correctly. Following the principles of realignment, Tighten the union nut with the filter wrench by pushing the handle downwards away from you. With this, you have completed the filter cartridge replacement of your ROAMfilter Plus.